So we clean panels with a telescopic water-fed pole. This allows us to distribute the water, and it's 30 feet long, so we can get safe and ergonomic access to all the panels. This is a carbon fiber pole, so it's relatively light and easy to handle. And at the end we have a boar's hair brush. It's a soft brush, so it's not going to damage the panels, but it's the best material for grabbing the dirt and removing it from the panel surfaces and the frames. We're just using the pure water from the reverse osmosis deionized water filtration system. We're not using any soaps or detergents because that can damage the anti-reflective coatings on the panels, and it's not recommended by the manufacturer. We provide a solar panel cleaning report with every cleaning, and that includes not only the before and after pictures of the panels, but it also provides the process description and any observations that we see while we're up here. So we'll do an inspection of each panel and make sure there's no defects. There could be hot spots, discoloration, snail trails, delamination. Those are just some examples. But we'll also inspect the system as a whole. We'll make sure the conduit is intact, there's no frayed wires, there's no debris underneath the solar panel system caused by birds nesting or rodents, because that can cause water damage, and it can also cause a fire hazard. And then we'll look at the roof structure to make sure that there's no broken tiles, there's no lichen growing on your roof tiles that needs to be cleaned. We'll inspect your gutters to make sure there's no debris in the gutters, and include those observations in the report. So hopefully that helps you to understand a little bit more about the equipment that we use, the process, the deliverable, and we're here in San Diego County, so we can support throughout the whole county. Thank you for your time.